Alright guys, what have I got for you? On your bed. Down. Thank you. Alright. Wait. Okay. Okay, Harley.
Harley.
Go get it.
Have some cake.
Go get it. What's this, Harley? Oh, don't. Must you eat it on the carpet? What's this? Come on, Harley. Oh, yum. You get the cake.
And I'm gonna do the carpet too. See, his thing is he tries not letting it hit the ground.
Well, that's much better than the alternative.
Look at the bright side, Harvey. You get leftovers.
You get to clean up crumbs. I don't know, he might not leave as many crumbs with it. Oh, you still have some crumbs for you, Har. What was that? Was that good? Was that good, guys? Oh, you can go back and clean up your crumbs, huh? Was that good? What do you think, Har? Pretty good cake, huh? It's like, I'm not really sure what to do with the garnish. Oh, I guess the garnish is pretty good too. Oh, Abby missed out, huh, guys? Oh, there'll be plenty left over. I think we're gonna be having cake for a couple of days, huh, boys? Oh, is that pretty good? Gotta, oh, that's right. Lick up your bowl real good, huh, Harley? Yeah. You too? Oh, is it all gone? Sad. Oh. Yes, nose and